Indictment accuses Julian Acala of searching women's cell phones between February and May. Our Megan Kernan broke this story and joined us in studio after pressing city leaders for answers. Megan.
And Mike, with 20 victims in this indictment, we told the Florissant Police Department that the people of Florissant deserve to hear directly from the police chief. We had an interview set up with him this morning, but unfortunately, they canceled less than an hour before due to advice from their legal counsel. They've since apologized, but the city attorney still says they won't comment on the pending litigation.
I think she just had a feeling that something was off, something wasn't right, this was taking way too long.
J.C. Pleben represents 4 victims, including the first victim in the indictment, who says 29-year-old Julian Alcala took her phone during a traffic stop for at least 10 minutes, sent himself a private video of her and her boyfriend, and then deleted the text. Alcala faces 20 misdemeanors and 1 felony count for deleting the evidence.
Once he deletes the text message, he gets an obstruction charge, which is the most serious out of these. She saw that a video had been sent from her number to a number she didn't know at the exact time that she was pulled over.
Pleben says his client immediately contacted the FBI.
Nobody ever thinks that something like this, something this outrageous is going to happen. That when we put law enforcement into the streets, they're supposed to protect and serve.
The Florissant Police Department released a statement saying they are disgusted by the behavior and didn't know Alcala was doing anything illegal or inappropriate. They also said no other members of the police department were involved in this. Back in August, we sat down with Jane Doe, the first victim to file a lawsuit in this case.
It's an invasion of my privacy. I don't necessarily know where my pictures are. I don't know who has my pictures. I've had to get medicated because of all of the trauma that it's brought me.
Pleben says this indictment has allowed his clients to get some closure, which they're still looking for from the Florissant Police Department.
What we're looking forward to in our lawsuit is figuring out what the city knew, what other officers knew, and what they didn't know.
The U.S. Attorney's Office says Alcala has not been arrested yet. An attorney representing other victims tells us he expects Alcala to turn himself in to U.S. Marshals by tomorrow. And in the last hour, we just learned a 6th victim has filed a federal lawsuit against Alcala for violating her civil rights.